Hi, teacher, dear student. Good morning, dear regard. I hope you are very well. My name is Cristian Camilo Carrillo Marin. I'm a student to the UNAD. I'm a student to licenciatura en lengua extranjera con énfasis en inglés. The course is Introduction to Linguistics. I'm going to answer what is dialect. I'm going to for example, the dialect is variety of accent they spoken at territory. Each country there is variety of accent because it's mixed to linguists and this for a particular sounds. Each person have sounds different in their speech, and each one is marked with a vibration pronunciation in the characterization of each word. Each Colombia a country to allowance references of dialect, and they you fall in love with the accent and sound of each region. How have example the costeño, paisa, santanderiano, huilense, bogotano, caqueteño, etc. The paisa have what is love, que pasa amor, the costeño have in the first look. Today woke up with a short genius and with high in my free flow. Mira que hoy amanecí de genio bajito y con puntería en chancleta. Y con puntería en la chancleta. Gracias.